Hello everyone, welcome to CoddingAdda. In this lecture, we'll implement one data structure that is stack. Stack is LIFO data structure that is last in, first out. It means the element which was inserted at last will be removed first. Here we have to implement couple of methods. One is push method to insert element in the stack. Another one is pop method to remove last element from the stack. Then print method to print all the elements the stack contains. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. At the beginning, we have to create our own type. So we have written type stack slice of integer because we want to store integers in our stack. So we have the type ready. Now we will define couple of methods on this stack type. First we will define push method. This is a method receivers. In case you haven't watched my method receiver tutorial, please watch that and come back here to understand clearly. So this method taking one argument v, and this will be inserted at the end of this stack. So we are appending this v on top of the data already we have in this stack. So this is pointer to stack. So st is pointer to stack. Star st means value of st and ampersand st means address of st. So here we have to take value of st as we are appending v on top of the value already we have in this stack. Okay, so append is a built-in function and its signature is s slice of type t and couple of other arguments that will be inserted in this slice. Okay, so we have used the same thing here. This stack is basically same type as slice of integer. So we can use append function for this stack type. We are using the same append function and we are passing our argument to append in this method. Now we will implement pop method on type stack. Pop method will remove the last inserted element. So let's consider the stack 12, 13, 14 and 15. When we will call pop method, then 15 will be removed and our output will be 12, 13 and 14. Here L, the size of this stack is 4 because we have 4 elements here. And we will consider till L minus 2, that is 2, 12, 13 and 14. And index 0, index 1 and index 2. For this reason, we have to slice this stack from 0 to 2. So what we have to pass here? Here we have to pass 0, 2 index, that will be 3 because we want till 2. So this index is exclusive. So we have to pass here plus 1. So we 1 till 2. So we have to pass here 2 plus 1. That is 3. So that's why we have done here length minus 1. That is 4 minus 1, 3. By default, if we don't mention anything, it will be 0. Now we'll implement print method. Print method simply print all the elements in the stack we have currently. So we are using range function, the same keyword we learned in our loop lecture. If you need details, then please watch my loop lecture. The only things we have to point out here, we are using star st because st is pointer to our stack. So we have to use here value of our stack. That's why we are using star. Now we'll go to main function. So main function, we have created one stack st, then we are pushing 4 things 12, 13, 14 and 15, then we are calling pop. What will be the output here? 12, 13 and 14 because 15 will be removed by this pop. Yes, our output is 12, 13 and 14. If we comment this pop one, then our output will be till 15. Yes, that is the case. If you like, please subscribe to get new updates on time. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.